to talk about. Take your pictures down and shake it out. Truth or consequence, say it aloud. Use that evidence, race it around.